In this video, I want to talk about the Okamoto 003 Aloe Vera Condom. Hi everyone, this is Martha. I'm a relationship counselor and clinical sexologist. In this video, the Okamoto 003 condom has a variation where they include aloe vera inside. And it says here on the packaging, they put a sticker on it, a water-based lubricant for sensitive skin. How nice! Okay, this is made in Japan, and it says reservoir-ended, natural color, non-spermicidal, which means there's nothing there that kills condom. Okay, so super thin, emphasize super, aloe essence, classic. Okay, so it's manufactured to the requirement of ISO 4041 2002. Okay, so it is tested with precise electrostatic technology to maximize dependency. However, no contraception provides 100% protection. So if used properly, can prevent pregnancy, reduce the risk of HIV and other sexually transmitted infections. So this condom is made of natural rubber latex, okay, latex condom, and pretty much all the usual safety precautions. If it's deteriorated, you should destroy it. Use a new condom with every use. And okay, the size, okay, the nominal size, the nominal width is 52 mm plus minus 2 mm. So measure your penis. So the next one is the length of the, so this is the girth, right? 52 mm. So the maximum is 54 mm, which is 5.4 cm. So get erect and then take a string and measure the longest girth of the penis, okay, for those of you who really want to ensure comfort. And also the length of the condom is 180 plus minus 10 mm, okay, so that's 18 cm to 19 cm. Okay, so store in a cool and dry place. Okay, so this is the product that I've taken out of it. There are 10 of these. This is okay, and when you open up a condom, always make sure to check the expiry. So here it says 2025. Okay, so open it up gently. Do not use your teeth, otherwise you may risk breaking the condom. Open it up gently, and then so check which is the right side up. Okay, and so now I'm going to just use it on my hand. Okay, and basically roll it down. So it feels super thin as the box described, and it does not have any like different color. It just looks like a regular condom. Although I have to say that the lubrication doesn't feel as wet, and there's this aloe kind of coating that they have, right? So I tried this just now on myself, and because I'm super sensitive, like I'm really sensitive, so when I have rough sex, sometimes I do, not often, but I do bleed. So there's such a thing called micro tears. This is when we have very vigorous sex. So what happens with a condom that actually has aloe vera is internally with the penetration, it already hopefully it has some healing properties. So I really like the feeling of this, and it's not like super like slimy with some lubricant, like there's a lot of lubricant on the condom, like this one doesn't, and it just feels good. It feels good. So I tried it just now. It feels good internally as well, and also I tasted it. So just to show you, I did taste it as well, and no smell. And also no real taste. Maybe a little bit of aloe, but no real taste. So for those people who are very sensitive, just know that even on the box itself, it says that they use water-based lubricant that is suitable for sensitive skin. I think this will be really good. I have used some condoms that are like not thin but like really thick, and so what happens is that the rubber sensation creates like a burning sensation in my vagina. I used to think that my body was allergic to the latex, but I think the material itself was really causing some some friction that just was too much for me internally. So this is my little review about the Okamoto 003 Aloe. I just thought that I was so fascinated, I was so interested by it that I was like, I must make a video, I must try it, and then share this with all of you. So yeah, taste wise, not much taste. Smell, no smell. Thin, definitely thin. Inside, feels good. It's really great for those people who are prone to yeast infection or microtests. A condom that is already designed for people who are more sensitive can be suitable. So this has been Martha making this video for you, and do check out all my work, subscribe to my mailing list, go to eroscoaching.com.